Hinsdale South High School finds itself in a lawsuit over an athlete not making the school's basketball team. Senior Brendan Savage, a two-time All-State Conference player and an IHSA state qualifier in the three-point contest, was initially cut from the school's basketball team for allegedly criticizing the behavior of his former coach. His mother filed a lawsuit on behalf of her son because she believes her son's First Amendment rights were violated. Downers Grove South social studies teacher Laura Rohde dissects the case in a student-friendly manner.
His argument is under federal law. There's a federal statute called Section 1983 that allows people to sue state and local officials if they feel that their rights have been violated. His parents argue that, he exercised his First Amendment rights by making a complaint against the coach, and that he was retaliated for making that, First Amendment complaint against the coach, and so his First Amendment rights have been violated.
The lawsuit has grabbed the nation's attention from sports fans and newspapers alike. But how would this change high school sports? Athletic Director Brandon Murphy gives his opinions on the matter.
That's, I think, the question on everyone's mind, right? I think that's why it's made national news. Obviously, implications are broad, and right now it's very broad, so I think a lot of people have some perspectives on that and what that could mean. I think coaches are wondering, do they have a say on their team? And from parents' lens, are kids being judged unfairly?
Brandon Savage was let back onto the basketball team, but the lawsuit still remains ongoing. I asked for a comment from the Savage family, but they politely declined. In Darien, Illinois, with the Blueprint News Network, I'm William Elliott.